I didn't get to finish what we started yesterday with our tool bags. So I made some posters right here. So, especially the second group, we didn't really get to go over our tool bags quite as more in depth. So, I want to review a little bit from yesterday our tool bags, going over our addition clue words and our subtraction clue words. So here's the deal. It's not guaranteed 100%, but most of the time, if you see these words in your question in a word problem, it means you add. So they're like clue words. You read a problem, you're like, oh no, how do I know if I add or if I subtract? Stress, but if you look and you have these clue words, they will help tell you what you need to do. So addition, remember it spells out the word Bates. So all together, when I say a letter, I want you to tell me the word that goes with that letter. Are you ready?
Yes.
You can show me you're ready by looking at your tool bag or looking at the poster. Okay, ready? B.
Both.
A.
All together.
I.
In all.
T.
Total.
And S.
Some.
Okay, let's do it one more time. B.
Both.
A.
Together.
Oh, you're not waiting for me. Okay, we have to work together as together. We have to work all together to make this work well. All right, so let's try A again. A.
All together.
Oh, you're good. I. T.
Total.
S. Okay, now I'm going to point to a letter. I'm going to say a letter, and it's not necessarily going to be in order. Okay, you ready? A.
All together.
S.
Some.
B.
Both.
T.
Total.
I.
In all.
Very good. Okay, so these are your addition clue words. Okay, so the nice thing is addition, it only has 5 words to really think about and remember. That doesn't mean those are the only 5 words you'll ever see in a word problem, but those are the most common 5 words you'll see. Okay, now subtraction, notice there's a lot more options for subtraction. Okay, can you guys over here see those posters okay?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, well you can use some glue right at your table and glue it back on if you'd like. That would be great. All right, so there's 2 types of words, clue words, that you will need to know for if you're going to subtract, okay? So there's 2 different types of words. There's words that compare. So let's think about some comparing words. Fewer or less, but you can come up with other words. If you think about who is taller, who is shorter, who is fatter, who is skinnier, who has more money, who has less money, who has more toys, who has less toys. Let's see, what are some other, can you think of some other compare words? How can you compare to? What's that? All right, who is smarter? Who is not as smart? What are some other comparing words? I'm looking for quiet hands. Who has a comparing type word? Kathleen.
Dodgers.
Who's what? Dodgers. That's not a comparing word. It does end in ER. But okay, what's a comparing word?
Giants. I know. Go Giants.
How about which team we could use that? Which team is better?
Oh, Giants.
Giants or Dodgers? How many think the Giants are better? How many think the Dodgers are better? Okay. Okay, all right. How about some other comparing words?
Los Angeles.
Thank you. Table group 1 has some hands up, quiet hands. Comparing words, Donovan.
A high number.
A high number, which one is higher? Which one?
100.
Which number is lower?
One.
Good.
I have another word.
Okay, yes.
Marshmallow.
That is a word. Yes, Kathleen.
What? Marshmallow. Oh, paper. Who uses a lot of paper? Who uses one paper?
Okay, how about who uses the most? Or who uses the
I use
least?
the most paper.
Okay, Grace.
I use the most paper.
Maddie, I'm listening to Grace. Grace is going to give us a compare word. Yes.
Marshmallow.
Karen? It's not appropriate. Thank you. Do you want me to come back to you in a minute? You want to think a little bit longer? Okay, I'm going to call on Lulu, and then I'll call on you next, okay? All right, Lulu, compare word.
Nice.
What?
Nice, not nice.
All right, so we might want to say, like, if we're saying 25 kids are nice and 10 kids are not nice, we could say how many are nice, right? Okay. All right. I said a call on Grace. Are you ready for me to call on you now? Okay, Grace, compare word. All right, so bad versus good. You could say how many soccer players are good and how many soccer players are bad.
I'm bad.
Okay, you can compare. All right, so
I'm good. I'm also good.
if you can hear me, put your hands in your head.
I can hear you.
If you can hear me, put your fingers in your ears.
Now I can't hear
No, you can't hear me.
I'm going to put my fingers in my nose.
If you can hear me, put your hands in your lap. Great.
Not hear you.
All right, if you cannot hear me, put your hands in your lap. Great. All right, so those are compare words. So remember when you guys were very confused about the much blank ER? Well, that was, you put in whatever compare word it is that ends in ER. Faster, slower, bigger, smaller, smarter, dumber. All the suggestions. Yes, okay. So anyway, I know we would not really.
Yeah, you said a bad word. You said
I know, but yeah, that was one of the suggestions.
You know what I put in? I put much steak here.
Hey, you should sit there.
All right, so those are compare words. So if you are comparing two things in a word problem, you are probably going to subtract to find out the difference between those two things. All right, there's also decrease words, such as subtract. So if I'm subtracting a number, it's getting smaller. Anytime you are taking something away or it's getting smaller, you're going to use subtraction. All right, so we are going to play a little game.
Yay!
Okay?
We play checkers. Can I play?
I'm waiting. I can wait. Thank you. Good job. Okay. So, we're going to play a little game, and let me tell you the rules of our game.
I think I know this game. The first game.
All right, I'm going to squeeze the rules in underneath here because I know Miss Sanders still needs to use this part right here. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you some scenarios.
What scenarios?
I'm going to tell you some stories. It's a word problem story, and you're going to have to figure out, based on your clue words, whether you will use addition, or whether you need to add to solve it based on the clue words, or whether you need to subtract.
How do you do that?
So, let's say, okay, let me give you an example. If I say, remember my example from yesterday, I have a box of stickers with 10 stickers in it. I have a second box with 20 stickers in it. How many stickers do I have in all?
30.
What is the key word? What is the clue word I just said that tells you what you need to do? Oh, Lucas, thank you for your quiet hand. Great. What is the word I said? What is the clue word that tells you what to do?
Say that again.
Okay, well, listen to my questions again. I have 10 stickers in one box. I've got 20 stickers in another box. I want to know how many stickers I have in all. So what is my clue word that tells me what I might need to do to solve this problem? Lucas. Kieran, what do you say?
30.
Yes, but what is the clue word I said?
Subtract.
No, okay, listen.
Addition.
But what is the clue word in my question? Lucas said it. Did you hear what Lucas said? We need to listen to each other. Okay, who heard what Lucas said? Yes.
In all.
I asked how many stickers there are in all. Donovan, what was my clue word that I said? Yeah. In all, exactly. Edwin, what was my clue word?
In all.
Yes, good. So another way I could say it. Okay, here we go. I have a box with 10 stickers. Another box with 20 stickers. Listen carefully to my question. How many more stickers are in one box than the other? How many more? I would like you to look at your clue, your toolbox. What did I say?
I know.
If you look in my words, that tells you what to do. How many more stickers are in one box than another? What was my clue word?
Many more.
Oh, ding, ding, ding. What did he say?
Many more.
Ding, ding, ding. Very good. Many more.
I said ding, ding, ding.
So,
Ding, 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 ding.
here's how we're going to play the game.
Ding dong. I did going ding dong.
All right. You can be an addition and subtraction word. You can be a ninja of addition and subtraction word problems. But becoming a master takes practice. You are going to work together as table groups. Okay, here's what you have to do. Here's rule number 1. I'm going to write it here, but I'm also going to say it. Okay?
When are we going to watch the movie?
Not today, because we couldn't figure out how to get it hooked up.
But how about tomorrow?
We'll see. Okay.
My mom's something tomorrow.
Okay, so here's the deal. Each table group is going to get 1 plus sign and 1 minus sign. It also says add or subtract on the back. So either way, the subtraction sign goes to subtract, addition sign, add. Each table group gets one set of cards. 1 green, 1 red. Aria, do I need to move you to this table? Okay. All right, show me that I don't. Okay? All right. So, here's the deal. Only 1 kid at each table is allowed to hold the cards for each question. So after one person, say Wesley has the cards for the first question, he will pass the cards to Donovan for question number 2. And then pass the cards to Kathleen for question number 3, and so on. They will go in a circle and trade off. Everyone is going to take turns. So,
I'll go first. I will. No, I will.
One, two, three. Eyes on me.
1, 2. Eyes on you.
Thank you. All right. Who can read the first rule? Donovan.
Take turns holding cards.
Very good. Okay. Second rule is okay. Okay. Before you must talk together as a table to figure out what your clue word is.
Actually, I don't trust the reason.
So the deal is, I am not going to want the answer to any problem. I do not want the answer, Maddie or Kieran, to any problem. I don't want the answer. What I want is, I want you to find clue words. That is the goal of this game. To figure out whether to add or subtract using clue words. So you must talk as a table group. So what is step number 2, Aria? What does it say?
You must talk at a table.
Yes, you must talk together and all have a vote at what you think the answer is. Either add or subtract. Okay, here's third rule. Okay. shoulders. If you can hear me, point to rule number 3. Okay, Alherd, can you read rule number 3?
Each person wrote what the blue rose is.
All right, I want every person in your table group to find the clue word. If someone says in all, and you agree, it's in all, then when it's your turn, you say in all, in all. If everyone says in all, in all, in all, then you all agree together. If someone says in all, and the other person says both, then you need to figure out who is right by talking together, okay? Then the last rule is, Mrs. Brown will count to 3.
1, 2.
No, it doesn't say students will count to 3. It says Mrs. Brown will count to 3. On 3, the person stands up with the card, right? The correct card, right? Not just any card. So if you think, if the word is, if the problem has both in it, and I'm holding the card, which card will I hold up if it has both in it? So what do you think?
Addition.
I'm looking for a hand. Kieran, why did you move?
Because I'm tired of fighting over there with me and Maddie, so I decided to move.
Well, I
Okay.
told them, just wait, you're
okay.
supposed to. That's the paper.
Yeah, but now.
Okay, you know what? I think that is an acceptable solution to your problems. I think that's okay.
It's brown on the paper passer.
Okay,
so
thanks,
it's
but
made of paper.
I know, but I'm not passing papers to everyone. Thank you for volunteering, Kathleen. All right. So anyway, all right. So if I am the person at this table, okay, and Mrs. Brown counts to 3, I'll go 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna stand up and I'm gonna hold up my sign loud and proud. Well, not loud, just proud. Okay? All right. So we're gonna see if every table group has the same sign up. All right. So here we go. I will decide who gets it first.
I don't
Okay.
want it first.
Okay. Then you may give it to someone at your table.
I want
All right.
I'm second. Good job. I'm gonna do you guys are fighting. Good job.
Okay, everyone done. Alfred and me.
All right. Are you guys ready for the first one? Now. All right. What I will do is I will give you points. Whoa. If you can hear me, blink your eyes. Good. Okay. Now, if you stand up too early before I count to 3, your table does not get a point. Okay? All right. So you have to wait till I count to 3. You have to discuss together. Let's do the first one. This one doesn't count. This is practice. Kathleen, what is the problem? Okay, but I let Wesley choose. Okay, he gave them to Donovan.
And I chose either one.
Okay, well, all right. Well, I think it's okay because you get the next. It doesn't matter who goes first. You all get the same chance. I know. It's disappointing. Yes. Okay. Okay. Well, can we solve our problem after? Can we talk about it later? Aria? Can we talk? Okay. You know what? Then I will decide. Sit down and I will tell you. Okay. All right, boys and girls. I can see that we're having a lot of conflict today. I really would like to play our game, but unfortunately, I'm going to have to stop our game and have us do math work if we cannot agree. It would be a bummer for the other tables. Kathleen, would you rather read a book in a corner? Do you need to cool off for a little while? Okay, go ahead. All right. All right, here we go. Here's our first one. This is our first question. Oops. Okay, so this says, remember, our clue words for addition, Bates, and remember the clue words for subtraction, 2 categories, compare or decrease. All right, here we go. Here's our first one. Remember, you talk together as a table group, and I will count, and that person will choose. All right, so who would like to read? Who would like to read the word problem out loud? Okay, Aria, go ahead. Read the word problem out loud.
Lucas had 22 lollipops. Wesley gave him 14 more lollipops. How nice of Wesley. How many lollipops does Lucas have altogether?
All right, discuss. Do not stand up with your card until I count. So to talk together, figure out what is your key word? What is your clue word? Okay, figure out which is your clue word. Remember, you're trying to find your clue word.
I know the answer, but I'm not telling you. Well, you could ask
Yeah, you have to be tricky. Sometimes there's more than one clue word in there, but I want the best clue word. What is the word that really tells you what to do?
Altogether. You can't just draw.
It's Lucas and Wesley are in there. Yeah, Lucas and Wesley are How many?
All right, here we go. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Sign. Just the people holding the signs can stand, Aria and Alherd. Just the people holding the signs stand. Woo! Add. Woo, very good. Okay. Oh, what is the key word that you came back with, Donovan?
Altogether.
All together. How about you, Lulu?
Altogether.
All together. How about you, Edwin?
All together.
All together. Rachel?
Altogether.
Oh, yeah! All right, I'm going to give everybody a point on that one because that was so great. Whoa, whoa. All right, so I'm going to... All right, you guys ready for the next one? Pass. Now, everybody pass the card to the next person. Rachel can decide, and I want you and Maddie to answer. Okay, so Ari's got some next, Maddie. Do not. Here we go. Are you ready? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready for the next question. Okay, you're looking for the clue word. Here we go. Next question. Who would like to read this problem on the board? Okay, Lulu, nice and loud. Read it out loud to us.
Rachel has 59 stickers. Right? Wow, Rachel. That is a lot of stickers. She decided to give 12 stickers to Rachel. How many stickers does Rachel have left?
Okay. Karen, did you see the question? Okay, can you read the question out loud to us too? Or just the very first line?
Okay, Rachel has 59 stickers. How is, well, Rachel, that is a lot of stickers.
Great.
She
Decided?
to give 12 stickers to Rachel. How many stickers does Rachel have?
All right, find that clue word to figure out which one. Discuss as a table. Talk together. Any of those. And those are all options. They're all options. Okay, decide together. Okay, Maddie, why don't you go to your... Okay, well, you know what? She's going to have to choose. You can just talk with Rachel then. If she doesn't want to play, then she doesn't have to. You can go to your cool off spot if you like. Hi, Ashton. Come on in. Ashton, where's your regular table? Is it right here?
Oh, no, he lives...
Okay, can I have you sit here for now? You'll pick up what we're doing in just a second. All right, have you decided as a group? I'm going to count to 3 in just a minute. Have you found the clue word? Have you found the clue word?
Yeah.
All right, I'm counting 3. 1, 2, 3. Stand up. without
Many
her?
more.
Oh, well, it doesn't actually say many more, but it just says many. Right, so many. How many stickers does Rachel have, I think, left? Okay, how about you, Lucas?
Mini and
Many and left, right. Those are both in this, but left is probably our even better word. Okay, and
Where are the points?
Kathleen, what did you come up with?
There.
Yay, very good. Everyone gets a point. Good job. Pass the pieces of paper to the next person in the group. Okay, go ahead. Send it to Rachel.
Please don't got the right card.
No, Kathleen, that's not okay. Okay, I have to wait till everyone's seated, and then I can switch to the next problem. We're gonna see if you can find the clue words. Ready?
Yes.
You can show me you're ready by sitting quietly at your table, glue sticks away. Oh, let's see, table group 5 is ready because they're sitting quietly. Table group 3 is ready, they're sitting quietly. Table group 6 is sitting quietly. I'm still waiting for table group 1 to sit quietly. Keith, can you come sit at table group 1, please? You'll figure out the game in just a second. All right, I think we're ready for the next question. Here we go. All right, who would like to read this question out loud to the class? Okay, Edwin, go ahead.
Claire has a caterpillar that is 58 millimeters long. Matilda has a caterpillar that is 49 millimeters long. How much longer is Claire's caterpillar?
Okay, talk about your group. Figure out what is the clue word. Where's your clue word? Go ahead, talk about it. So, Keith, we're looking at your tool bag. We're trying to find the clue words in each of these problems. All right, Dia, welcome back. I need you to sit right here at this table for now and just watch what we're doing, and then as more kids come, they'll join you at the table. Okay?
Is it subtraction?
Kathleen, are you discussing with the group, or are you scanning?
We already did it.
Okay, well, I need you to stand. Oh, thanks, Keith. Good job.
I'm gonna eat that
Go ahead, have a seat.
That's not ready yet.
I think it's much more.
What about
All right, have you figured out the clue word? Like there are clue words? Can we count to 3? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Stand up. Stand up. Whoa, Wesley. All right, good. Subtract. Excellent. Okay, let me see. Grace, what was the clue words that you came up with? Much longer. How about you, Kieran? Much longer. Rachel? Much longer. Wesley? Wesley? Yes, because look, it's much, and then space ER, much longer. Very good. Oh, everyone else gets another point. Good job. We're ready for the next one.
That's what I thought.
Woo!
I didn't agree with any of these.
All right, pass your cards to the next person. Pass your cards to the next person.
I didn't agree with anybody, so I didn't know what I thought.
You get the satisfaction of knowing that you won. Have a seat. All right, Dia, you'll catch on in the game. Can you get out your toolbox, your tool words from yesterday? All right, table group, show me you're ready for the next question. No, I don't see any table groups ready. We'll see. I'm looking for table groups that are ready. No one's ready yet. Oh, wait, table group 6 is ready. They're quiet. Table group 5 is ready. Oh,
What? You're looking
no, actually, well, maybe after some more people come. Okay, I need Dominic to be ready.
That's because you're the professional.
Oh yeah, you want to sit over there with the girls? That would be great.
We weren't trying to be mean.
Okay, then you can sit here. You're choices to sit there or here.
No, she was
Kathleen?
She knows
All right, I'm still looking for table groups that are ready for the next question. Here we go.
Ready.
I'm waiting.
That's that.
I'm waiting. Dia, I'm waiting.
Kathleen, I'm waiting.
We're ready for the next question. Here we go. Who would like to read this question? All right, Donovan, go ahead.
Iron has 25. Ben has 22 in his if you were to combine their
Collection.
how many do they both have?
Ooh, okay, what is our clue word? Go ahead, tackle shift groups. Okay, so Dia and Claire, you guys just arrived. We're looking for clue words, okay, to figure out if we add or subtract. Can you guys look at that problem up there and see if you can find a clue word? Either addition word, you work together. That's the purpose. You're supposed to work together. So talk about it together. All right, I'm going to count to 3 in just a minute. Talk together in your group.
We know that.
We found a word for addition and one for subtraction.
I know, but the thing is, though, you have to work with your best. You have to look at the problem and think about what it's
I want to
All right, I'm counting 3. 1,
Addition.
2, 3. What do you think? Oh, add. Okay. Ashton, what is the clue word that you found in this problem that might make you think that adding is what you're supposed to do?
Both.
Ooh, both. What did you think, Donovan?
Both.
Both. Aria?
Both.
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 Both. Both. Oh my gosh, you're so smart. Everyone gets a point. Good job.
Yeah. Yay.
All right. Everyone pass the card to the next person in your group. Landry, have a seat, please, at this table. Is this your actual seat? All right, Dia, I'm going to have you scoot over, just right over here. All right. Great, Claire. All right, here. Are you ready for the next question?
Yeah.
All right, table groups. Show me you're ready for the next question. Which group is going to be ready first? Oh, no table groups ready yet. Looking for ready table groups. Group 6 is ready. Table group 6. Ooh. Table group 3 is ready. Table group 6 is no longer ready. Table group 4 is still ready. Excellent, we're ready for the next question. Here we go.
What is it?
Okay, who would like to read this one out loud? All right, Kathleen, go ahead.
Kathleen has 45